Alright YouTubers, welcome back to episode 2 of the Ecoboost drift car build. Now it starts here, car's in the trailer, let's take a look. Here she is, fresh out the paint shop. Jake Rolls has done a wicked job on this. Mega happy. Shell's painted, ready to go back together. Obviously most of the fabrication work's done. He's still doing the doors and the wings and the panels. He is having a bit of a struggle with them with paint reactions due to what this car was painted with. But the shell itself is looking mighty fresh. Mega happy with that. Let's get it in the workshop where she's going to live for a little while whilst we put her together. You ready, Lewis?
Always.
Let's do it.
Music, babe, pretty.
Sorry. Georgie does make me laugh, bless him. But car's on the ramp. George is taking the yellow bits off of Bagsy's old rotiform wheels, which we've purchased. Got some tyres to put on there, just some leftover tyres. We're just going to use them for the dyno and perhaps first practice day. Brad is over there taking out the steering column because it's manky and got overspray on it and stuff, so we're going to give that a little paint. And I haven't even thought about what I'm going to do yet, so I better get my thinking cap on. How you getting on, George?
Amazing. I've only peeled it off in about 50 pieces so far, so going well.
I hope you're not burning the paint.
That was powder coat.
Hello. Hello. What are you up to, sir?
I'm removing this steering column.
It just looks variable to me.
Yeah, it's got some play in it.
Typical S13.
Yeah.
We got Mark polishing the scratch lips. Here is one that's been made earlier. Ah, look at that. Woo!
Going red.
Got some tyres on rims. Mwah. Well, tonight ain't going to plan, guys. We haven't got off the stuff we need to do the stuff we wanted to do. So that's making progress because we've ordered it. George just took off lower arm. I'm lagging behind. I haven't got mine off yet. Got our wise fab on the floor.
Shiny.
And we're actually missing bits for this. We're missing circlets for the hubs. We haven't got the coilovers yet, but there's not really loads we can do tonight, so we're just going to get what we can done. We've got a nice, freshly painted by Brad, who's behind the camera, tension rod brackets, pushing forward. A bit of a story with the wise fab on this car. Now, the wise fab was bought for the Honda powered S13 after I crashed it at Castle Combe. Turned out it wasn't the bent wise fab, it was actually a bent coilover. So we didn't need it, so I'm going to use it for this. But then I realised I made a mistake, and instead of ordering an S14 wise fab kit, I ordered an S13 wise fab kit. So S14 hubs don't fit on the S13 wise fab hubs because the spindle was smaller. So I've had to get S13 bearings, GK Tech 5 stud hubs, so that I can run 5 stud on the S13 hubs. There is other ways of doing it, you can re-drill and things like that, but I haven't got S13 hubs anyway. So this was a solution. Managed to get these a bit cheaper, someone bought them by mistake. And we're knocking studs out of these rears to put into the hubs because they come literally like that. No bearing, no circlip, no studs, no nothing. So we're having fun. And the boys are in the background trying to attach the wise fab hubs.
lens is dirty. Oh, it's still dirty. Fuck. Oh well. Here we got the bearing have been pushed. The bearings have been pushed.
The bearing's in, we're doing the studs.
We're doing the studs now.
The proper way, not beating it with a hammer, because I wouldn't do that.
Only if she gets mouthy, eh?
Exactly.
Joking, Mel. The proper way.
Sir?
The proper way, innit?
It is the proper way, isn't it? I would never just beat him in with a hammer.
Never.
Never.
Never. No. Shout out to Mac Tools.
He's actually from Mac Tools.
Sponsored, isn't it?
Sorry, Rob.
Sorry, Rob.
Guys, the most exciting video you've ever watched.
It is.
Assembling.
Especially seeing your angle.
GK Tech.
The angle of you right now.
Yeah, I bet it's horrific, isn't it? Belly poking out. Yeah. Do like a little stance.
Oh.
I hope that come out on the camera.
I hope it did as well.
Oh. There we go, boys.
Wow.
Well, that's it. That's the end of play today. It's about 12:30. Boys want to go home, so do I. But we've done all right. So we've got our wise fab on the front, tension rod brackets, steering column looks a lot better. We've mock fitted our seat, steering column, painted a few bits. Yeah, hubs, GK Tech front hub adapters, and we've done a few bits, and I've really let you down because there's something I actually wanted to show you how we built it, and I didn't, but I can show you it on the car. So because we're not running a clutch, but our clutch pedal has a master cylinder, we've piped it to a BMW slave cylinder, which we've mounted to that piece of tube. Inside this tube is a Subaru hydraulic tappet, the Subaru tappet at the top, Subaru tappet at the bottom, with some valve springs in the middle. This bolt winds the bottom tappet in to add pressure to the springs, and the piston in here acts on the valve springs. So that is giving us a pedal that feels like a clutch, and it works really well. I'm actually shocked. I wasn't the first one to think of that. I did see it on the internet. They had lots of problems with it. I think I just got lucky. We've also added our gas coilovers. These guys have been amazing, always helping us out. Mega happy with them. So gas coilovers on the wise fab, the wise fab top mounts, and that is pretty much what we've done today. Lewis is here, trying on the new rear wheels. God, don't they sit far in? That is rough. That's gonna need some spacers. God damn. George is here.
What am I doing?
You tidying up, haven't you, George?
Someone's got it.
I taught him how. And that's it. That is tonight's work. Oh, no. There's more. Fitted a brake servo, which we painted white because we ran out of black, but I might take it back out and do it black because it's a bit too much white. So we now have two pedals in the car, a white one and a black one. And we fitted our new steering wheel as well. Cheap eBay, nasty steering wheel, which I thought would be alright, but it's very flexible. So that probably ain't gonna stay. That's it, time to go home. See you later.